new at 5, the city of San Antonio is adding more people to a new team this summer, expanding efforts to help the ongoing mental health crisis.
The News 4i team's Jordan Elder looks at what this will mean for your neighborhood.
Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some will come to clear your path. Stay positive. Okay? I will, sir.
24/7 access to teams of mental health professionals. It's coming to San Antonio this July.
It was kind of an experiment a few years ago, but there's been a lot of success.
We've introduced you to the SA Core teams before. They've got a police officer trained in mental health, a paramedic, and a clinician. Last year, police officers told us the teams help with resources.
Core coming and taking over, it helps us out a lot because it leaves us back in service to handle other things. More specifically like shootings and robberies and stuff like that.
And it gives community members access to specialized help they may not be able to find elsewhere.
It's a lot more a care of the person than just sort of a 911 call.
Right now, there are 3 teams operating across the city. They've responded to more than 900 calls in the first 4 months of this year. In last year's budget, the city moved these services 24/7, which also added 5 clinicians, 9 paramedics, and 12 police officers. That investment was more than $7 million, and it gets fully implemented this summer. Most of the time, data shows SA Core helps people resolve their situations immediately. Other times, they take them to emergency detention or transport them to clinics. Public Safety Committee Chair Melissa Cabello-Haverda says this expansion is a start.
3 SA Core teams is great, but it's not nearly enough for the number of mental health calls that we're getting to 911.
The city's chief mental health officer will give more insight on this program in June. For the News 4i team, I'm Jordan Elder.